I think it's over.
You think it's over?
I think it's over for him.
Oh
as
yeah,
like a,
this is over. This
figure
is so
in
over.
entertainment.
Right. But do you
Like,
think it's over as him as far as
jail?
like he gets a cell right next to R. Kelly?
When the feds rolled up, you know, with the fucking Hummers and shit, they're like, it wasn't about Diddy. It was about if there were tapes of powerful people there.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody knows though. Nobody knows if there's what was there, who did what. Was it the authorities that stopped Diddy? Was it someone that called it on him before the authorities got there? There's so many conspiracy theories. I heard he wasn't even in jail.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure.
They were the ones that called. They're like, I need to protect myself, so go in there with all the things.
Yeah.
Rip any tapes or any evidence.
Prince Harry was hanging with Diddy.
I mean, everybody.
Can you just see Prince Harry at a freak off with the baby oil? I can't see that happening. They're going to do everything in their power to make sure that all this information just stays locked up.
He hung with Diddy. That's the other tricky thing. Like, Diddy hung out with everybody. And I've spoken to a bunch of people who are like, yo, great dude, like always there for you, never asked for a single thing.
Till 1 in the morning.
And then,
Then
freak off.
Everybody
again.
says, get out of the house.
Yeah.
It's like the gremlins start eating after midnight.
They just had crazy sex parties, and apparently in that baby oil there was like this stuff that would make you all numb and forget. Is that a joint? You guys can't see that, but man.